Welcome to Scented Palette. I hope you're doing well. Today we are going to make chicken shashlik with Chinese fried vegetable rice. You are familiar with chicken shashlik on skewers, but when the Chinese cuisine first started in our country, it was a gravy-based dish. So today I am going to make that very chicken shashlik, and I hope that it will bring some wonderful memories of your time together with friends and family. You have already seen the spice list. Now these are the other ingredients that will be used. This is how we are going to prepare them. So I am going to put half a cup of oil in chicken and cook it all the way through. It usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. The chicken has cooked, so now let's add the onions and the capsicum. Now add the tomatoes. Once they have softened up a bit, we'll add 1 tablespoon of salt. Half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon red chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon paprika powder, half cup tomato ketchup, one-fourth cup soya sauce. Don't be alarmed with the quantity, it's just 4 tablespoons. Two heaped teaspoons of tomato paste. Half cup water. A useful tip, if your sauce becomes runny, add a little bit of corn slurry to thicken it. But if you maintain the ratios that I've shown, you will not need any emulsifier or thickening agent. To be safe, add water in 2 parts, so you can stop before the sauce becomes runny. And we are done. If you're using basmati rice, then soak it for about 30 minutes before cooking. Boil them till they are done. To cook rice, add 1/4 cup of oil in your pot. This pot is too small. Cooked rice will break when I will mix them. This pot is better. It will give more than enough room to stir the rice without any breaking. This oil won't be enough for the rice, so I am going to add another 1/4 cup of oil in it. You can add salt according to your taste. I add 1/2 tablespoon for 1 cup of rice. 1 tablespoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Add 1 chicken bouillon cube or 1/2 cup of concentrated chicken stock. Add 1/2 cup of water to dissolve it. Now you can either add 1/4 teaspoon Chinese salt or MSG, and if you don't have that, you can add about 1 tablespoon soya sauce. I added soya sauce because everyone has it. Beat 1 egg thoroughly and add it a little at a time. Do not mix immediately or it will blend like a liquid in the vegetables. Add rice, mixing all the while, so you know when you have a good rice to vegetables ratio. Steam it for 5 to 7 minutes. It's done, so let's plate.